Hi everyone. I am recording this right after my work today. So it's Monday, the 21st of June. And I had a long day at work with meetings, some coding, and I received a special box during my lunch break. And since I had lunch meetings and meetings, few meetings today, I didn't have time to open the box and I only had time to receive it. So I got this box specially delivered on my doorsteps during my break. I was actually on a meeting when I received a phone call of a delivery. This box was specially sent by Microsoft from USA through FedEx, and it was delivered by our local mail company here in Sweden. So this box is completely unopened, and I really waited for my long work day to end to open this uh, and record. I actually at the start I wasn't sure if I should be recording or I will just take a picture when I receive my award. But I thought since I only receive this is my first time to have the MVP award from Microsoft. I wanted to make it a special moment instead of the normal thing that I usually do, just taking pictures. So I will be opening this. I just got off work, and this is something that I looked forward to in spite of my long day. And I will be opening this. Let's see. I wish that I have a champagne right now because it's actually warm today. It was. Alright, look. I'm opening. Got this. And I need to be careful when I open this. This is. So I have like a. Really careful. And by the way, I am actually in my home office. I have an adjustable office table, and currently, believe it or not, I am on my desk bike. But I'm not actually biking because I'm very focused in opening my MVP award. So this is my chair, and I'm actually on my desk bike, but not biking. So I'm opening carefully. Look. Ooh. Oh my god. I'm excited. Oh, look. So this is my MVP award in a special box. Look. And it's a very nice packaging, and I usually don't throw away special boxes, especially if they're really well made with great quality. So I'm gonna save this box. And here you can see especially here you can see this small thing here. It's my MVP ID and my name and most valuable professional award. And this is how it looks in the front. And I'm opening. Oh, look! I really like how they put the biggest thank you when you open it. Oh, it's very like a special moment. Like the things that I've done for the community, and they put special effort and time to say thank you. The first thing that you will see when you open the box, and I'm very careful because I'm on the bike right now. I don't want it to fall off, but it looks like this. It's reflecting, so like that, and this is how it looks here. So it's like that, it's reflecting. So it has my name on it, and the first of June 2021, Jonah Andersson for Microsoft Azure MVP, and it was signed by Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft. And it says here, we recognize and value your exceptional contribution and commitment to technical communities worldwide. By sharing your real-world expertise and technical skills, you demonstrate outstanding technical community leadership. Thank you. Thank you so much, Microsoft, and you're welcome. I'm very excited to do more great things in the community. Thank you so much. So that's the first one. And then here's the next one. So I also got this. So in the box, so I have that. Then I also get this information here about my benefits. So, and I also got my MVP ID card. So here it is, Jonah Andersson, my MVP ID, my ID number. It's probably hard there. So, and it's good. So my name, my ID, and the technology that I had. Oh, this one. Oh, this one is heavy, and this is the fragile one. Do you have champagne for me, guys? Ah. Okay. Oy, oy. Very fancy box. And this one in the box is this plaque. Look, it actually matches my favorite color, which is the navy and royal blue. Look, my t-shirt today, or my shirt today, matches it. And let me just open it or get it. And I also got this. So I got this one. It's made of glass. Here. So it's very glassy. I can see that it mirrors. And in here I can put the year that I got the award, and this is my first time, so I'm gonna put it here carefully. Yay, here it is. Look, so it really matches my my t-shirt. But I really like it, and blue is one of my favorite colors, and it matches so well. Thank you so much, and I really look forward to have more of this because it's just the beginning of my journey as an MVP, and uh, receiving this award from Microsoft inspires me to make a difference more and more. And thank you so much to all the people that supported me and believed in me in everything that I do. It's really, really great to be part of this technical community and with Microsoft uh, community. Very great. It's really inspiring to meet great people through the MVP program, and I really look forward that Corona or COVID pandemic will be over soon, so I can meet the other MVPs and make more difference physically. Thank you so much, and that's very good looking. It looks good. And aside from that, in the box, I also got a label pin. So this pin. So I also got this pin, an MVP pin that's like magnetic. And aside from that, I also got an envelope here. There, important information enclosed, and I have to open and read it immediately. A special letter. All right. So in that envelope, I have my Microsoft Most Valuable Professional Award Code of Conduct. I already read it online, but it was updated, so I will be reading it again. And I got some information here about what I need to do, and I also have some MVP stickers. It's kind of a blurry, but yeah, I also got this MVP stickers, and yeah, that's all in the box. So I got my trophy and also my certificate. Yes. Oh, it's reflecting. Yes. All right. Thank you so much. I'm very, very happy for this. I just need to find a place where I can put it safely in my home office. And thank you so much. It's hard to express it into words. The award is this plaque is a symbolism of the hard work that I did, but what makes me very grateful are the people that I meet, great people and nice and collaborative people that I meet in the community. And thank you so much all. This is all for you, and thank you for putting your trust in me. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.